Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Sherlock on the Kali Live version of Kali Linux. The Kali ruling is the one that you would normally be able to install it on, but from the Kali Linux repositories. But it won't let you anymore since the last update. So I'm going to show you how to get around that so that you're able to install it on the Kali Live. Let me just show you what I mean when I say it's not going to let you if you try to do it from the Kali repository. So normally this is what you would have to type in, and it would just install itself like that. But since the last update, it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to show you how to get around that so that you're able to install it on the live version. So in your search bar, type in Sherlock, GitHub, and it's going to be this link. Going to drop down and copy this, paste it into your command prompt, and I'm just going to go into all the way to the left, go git clone, once you get the clone CD into Sherlock, the directory, ls, and you can see all the documents stored in there. And go ahead and copy this. Paste it. Oh, I accidentally did it twice. And hit enter. Okay, so now that you've done that, you can use it from the command prompt here. So Python 3 Sherlock, and let's just do a test word. Oops. And it's going to search every website it knows that has that keyword as a username. So it's going to send queries through the internet, and they're just going to pull information to see which websites have that keyword as a username for an account. Alright, well that was it.